Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to go ahead and put my hair in another protective style. So before we even get into that, make sure if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Get ready to leave me a comment and give this video a thumbs up. A big thank you to Toyotress for sending me some hair to try out and review for you. Okay, so this time around I chose to do the Toyotress Ocean Wave Crochet Hair 9 inches in the color P1B/118. I have never used Ocean Wave hair, so this will be my first time. So let's see how many bundles of hair we have within this one package. Okay, 8 bundles. They always include a crochet hook, and inside we have a card here, and it says thank you for your patronage, and to also let them know how we like it, don't like it, whatever the case is. Okay, so look how cute the little bundles look. So there's about 15 pre-separated strands of hair. This is what I've decided to do with my hair. Super simple, not tight whatsoever, not perfect, just braid it down. And now that I have these 2 braids right here, I crisscross them and crochet them right into my hair. So first off, this hair is super soft, and I love how it tapers down towards the bottom. Easy to pull off. Like I said, this is pre-separated. So open up the hook, place the hair on the hook, close the latch, pull it through. I've created my own hook. And I'm going to take this hair, pull it through the loop once, and then one more time, and then tighten it. See how that works? Now I could take this apart so my loops are not so big, and actually, let's see what happens when I pull it apart. Curl pattern still there. That's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to pull them all apart. So put my hair through, put the hook through my hair. Make sure the latch is open now. Put the hair on the hook, close the latch, pull it through. There goes the loop that I created. Take the hair, pull it through the loop once, and one time again, and then tighten it. Let's do that again. So there goes the hair. On the hook, close the latch, pull it through. There goes my loop I created. Pull the hair through the loop once, and one more time again. Okay, y'all, it's 2 days later, camera issues, crazy, so we're continuing on with this phone. this hair. I had to split this in between 2.5 days, and I was able to wear this hair comfortably without it getting knotted up in the back portion that was done like on day 1. Cover my hair at night, go along with everything I was doing at a longer length without it getting all ratty and stuff. It's soft. The curl is wonderful. I mean, it was already curly without adding any product to it. I was able to cut it in a short little style. My hair is longer than this in real life, so to be able to have my hair in a shorter style if I want. Y'all have done so much stuff. I've stopped so many times. I showed you what it looked like in natural lighting. Now I'm on my phone camera, and before I was on my camera, which was tripping. So anyway, you got 3 different lightings, 3 different versions of what this looks like. And every single version, every single lighting, it's beautiful. It's soft, it's not itchy, there's 0 smell, and that's one thing I love about Toyotress. There's never any smell to the hair that's sent to you. Make sure you look in the description box so you can shop the direct link and use my discount code to get some money off. You can also find this hair on Amazon, and you can also join their Facebook group where you have the options to earn free hair, discounts, first to know on new hair that arrives. They always ask our opinions on everything. I have been in this Facebook group for, oh my gosh, maybe almost 2 years now. So wonderful. I love it. I do. So check those links. You know, you don't want to miss out on anything. They have all kinds of hair. As you can see, I have reviewed, this is what, my 3rd or 4th type of hair through Toyotress that I have reviewed. And some of the hair I purchased on my own. It's nothing like being able to go to, you get a decent price, it's affordable, for quality hair that does not smell, itch, give you any adverse reactions or anything like that. And I have sensitive skin, y'all. I have nothing on my skin right now, and it's just been wonderful. It's nice and airy, and I feel like I have nothing to worry about for the maybe 2, 3, possibly even 4 weeks I have this in. We'll see. I mean, would you wear it? Would you wear it? The other thing about this hair, comes in so many other colors. I put most of the 1B in the front along the parting area so it looked more natural. You can still see a little bit of my knots, but you know, take a comb and back comb it, and I'll camouflage it right on up. Appreciate y'all for watching till the end. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.